Greetings from BPS. Children, they are divine. They are happy makers. They are success and peace of the family. We emphasize the most important life skill for kids to learn. Dear brothers and sisters, here a small video exhibit physical, intellectual and social development for kids. Let's join together for strengthen the children. Let's make better world for children. Let's empower the children.
Shooting, increase concentration and also develop the gross motor skill.
Hand wash prevents and controls spread of pathogens, protection from diseases and illness.
Yeah, everything comes in a right time. Be patient. Timer is an example to develop our social skill to be patient. Thank you.
Keeping air green is our responsibility.
Basketing the marbles. It develops concentration and hand and eye coordination for gross motor skill.
Spinning top for fine and gross motor skill development.
Music ignites all areas of child development. Experimenting with musical instrument promote physical development in variety of ways. For instance, while learning to tap each finger on a piano strengthens fine motor skills. Thank you.
Hi to sunlight vitamin D says bye to bottle vitamin D.
Improve hand-eye coordination, then identify shape and colors.
To erase with an eraser without tearing the paper is a fine motor skill.
Best example for eye and hand coordination in fine motor skill.
Intellectual skill. The ability to distinguish, combine, classify, analyze and quantify the objects. Thank you.
தினமும் உடற்பயிற்சி செய்வது உடலுக்கு நல்லது.
Daily 10 minutes meditation increases self-awareness and builds skills to manage your stress.
Tying shoes. It's a fine motor skill. It improves hand-eye coordination and finger isolation. Thank you.
Fine motor skill. Painting is sharpen the mind through conceptual visualization and implementation, boost pulse memory skills.
Target our gross motor skills.
Balancing the stick on finger. Skill development. It associated with the more accurate visual localization of the stick and the proprioceptive localization of the finger. Thank you.
Lemon and spoon, gross motor skill, which improves concentration and visual integration.
Climbing ladders, physical development skills.
Fine motor skill, buttoning the shirt. It helps hand and eye coordination and improves concentration.
Fine motor skill, eye and hand coordination.
Fine motor skills for strengthening fingers and muscles.
One who maintains cleanliness keeps away disease.
Eye and brain coordination, psychomotor skill development. Maroon, green, violet, yellow, red, orange. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Meena Kumari, Principal of Bharat Public School. Nowadays, a growing number of children spend more time on mobile games than on traditional games. This affects their growth and development of the body and mind. Quite simply, traditional children's games stimulate their growth physically and intellectually. Every child has to develop a wide range of skills in kindergarten, including physical, social, emotional, language and literacy, and cognitive skills. The school, teachers, and parents play a vital role in holistic development of the child. Choosing the right kindergarten school would enrich the child's learning experience. An excellent kindergarten program would offer the kid a variety of learning experience. Let's give the children a creative learning experience to improve their skills. When we nurture the child's whole being, we open doors to endless possibilities. Thank you.